Hi guys, welcome to the Savvy Money Show. Me, your host Sean. You ever have one of those days where everything just seems to go right? Yesterday, well, last couple of days, I've had a few weird days. My mind med went right up, and I thought to myself, this has gone up too fast, way too fast. So I sold out, and then I had regret. I thought, the reason I got in here, I'm known for having tanzanite hands. I made a mistake, and then I'm looking through the company again, and I'm thinking to myself, I need another entry point. I've got to find my entry point, because this is going to be a big stock, a good company. Luckily, what happened? Huge sell-off. Everyone's selling off. Everyone who got in earlier than me is taking profits, and it drops down. So I end up making $1 a share, and it still fell again today. So I increased my position from what it originally was, and so I make $1.50 a share, and I'm loving it. And then I thought, that's all my luck gone. By the way, I want to say thank you to those guys who have signed up during my links in the description below. But please be aware, if you sign up to get the free share, you also have to deposit the money in order to be eligible for the free share. Otherwise, you won't get it. So as soon as you deposit your money, you will get your free share. Now, I thought with my med, that was the end of it. Then JNSH jumped, and I left some shares in there after I exited, and I thought, oh, this is great. But this was my luck. And then, as you know from before, I have said about SG blocks already, but I'm in it for the long term, so no problem. We're going to speak about a few others. DSG Global, I spoke about before, has gone up 83%. Now, this is before we move on to the next ones. Now, I'm going to talk about two that we should be getting into. You've got Tsla Technologies. They've been losing money, which is why they're so low, but they reckon it's going to break even soon, and that would shoot them up. INUV. Now, this has been one that's been going up and down, and to tell the truth, I think both of these will hit $1, no problem. I'll talk about Microvision in a minute. If you remember, I spoke about these two before. I also spoke about Jaguar Health last week and a couple of months ago. Now, a couple of months ago, it had a little up, and then we sold, and it went down again. And then I said again, I think it's going to do better, and look at it there. Oh, it hit just over $1. I didn't get the $1.20, but I got the $1 free. I mean, a 200% rise. How can you complain about that? Now, anyway, back to Microvision. Why has this risen 60%? I spoke about it months ago, and remember this, guys. It's had a bit of a pullback. When I speak about a stock, you've got to be prepared to hold it long term. Can't expect it to rise straight away. Sometimes they do, sometimes it will take months and months. Well, what's the difference between Microvision and normal LiDAR? Because there's loads of LiDAR companies out there now, and there's more and more going public via SPACs every day. Well, instead of having that great big black box on top of the car, which can be damaged, broken, or just look like a police car siren, making your car a target, it is actually something that hangs over your mirror, which looks like the Tsla software. And instead, the reason Musk doesn't like LiDAR is because it does 360 degrees, and Musk says when someone's driving, they're not looking 360 degrees. They're concentrating in front of them and sometimes to the side of them. So that's where autonomous should be looking, and that's what you should be concentrating on. Otherwise, it delays computing the data, and so that's what microvision's concentrating on, what's in front of you. And people are thinking that either Tesla or Apple will be acquiring microvision. That's why the run up, especially after the tweet that Elon Musk offered to sell Tesla to Apple, and Apple wouldn't even take the meeting. Now we are gonna, hi guys, little plug here, don't forget to hit that lovely like button and smash that sexy subscribe button, a lot sexier than me, trust me, ask the wife. Don't forget to comment in the box below. If you're looking for a free trading platform which to trade your stocks and shares, why not check out the links in the description below. Freetrade are doing a promotion at the moment where if you sign up before the end of the year, you'll be entered into a free draw for what they call a stock hamper, where you can earn a Shopify, a Nike and a load of other stocks. So why not? Doesn't cost anything, just click the link, deposit £100, £100 and start investing. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Now, if you're wondering why Colonnade acquisition core has spiked up, is because it's agreed to go with LiDAR, another LiDAR company, but this is the one talking about Juniper Industrial Holdings. I spoke about it a while ago, a few months back, and it hasn't had a run up yet. Now, what do we know about this? It's a Clear Lake portfolio company who actually merged with Janus, is apparently going with Juniper Holdings. Now, it's not a sexy one, so don't expect it to go up like Switchback Energy or QuantumScape, but let's have a look at what they do. Now, they basically do storage lockers, but no, they don't do normal storage lockers. You can see here the storage lockers most people do. They have to put the key in, do the lock and everything. With this, you can unlock it with an app. They have a lot of software as well, and they are quite innovative. And I do think it will be one of those things that will give you a good return, a good steady return, especially now where you've got people at risk of losing their home, that you know they're gonna have to downgrade, or they have to go out of move further out of the city, and they would put their excess rubbish in storage locker. Or it might just be that someone who is working from home might turn a room into an office, and the stuff in that room they'll put in a storage locker. Or someone isn't working from home, but they've moved further away to save money, and they're commuting in. Instead, what they do is keep a lot of their stuff in a storage locker near their work. However, I do think it's an interesting play, and I do think as one to look forward to. Anyway, I like your opinions, and I am hoping that the rest of my stocks just keep going up. I am looking into Salesforce. It does look like it's going to be. I like the fact that, as well as the vaccine play, it's venture capitalist side of the arm is made huge investments in Snowflake, Stripe, DocuSign, Dropbox, Zoom, and Twilio. You know, I said a while ago how Salesforce could make a move for Dropbox, and this could be the start of it. They could well even make a move for DocuSign, and combine them, become the leading number 1 and 2. However, that is yet to be seen. I'd like to know your guys' opinion. Don't forget to hit the like button and comment in the box below.